This is a good tip on how to keep your glasses from slipping. Even though you angle them just right, sometimes they still slip. I got a little bit of heat shrink tubing, just enough that where it makes contact with my head, up here doesn't. So I'm going to put those pieces on the end. It's a lot thinner than the stuff they sell you that's rubber. Just make sure the end doesn't end up somewhere where it contacts your ear or your head, because it'll irritate you, or you're gonna have to melt it a little bit more. But I'm gonna slide these on, heat them up, and I'll be done. Now you got a nice little sleeve on there. It's hidden behind your ear, and it's cheap. You can get this stuff at Harbor Freight or Lowe's. It's real inexpensive. I had this kit laying around that I took them out of. I think you can buy these at Harbor Freight for a few dollars.